Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Doji Nilo nono wa kwezonu.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Chukunon Soul Captures. Ndabanya, I don't make a loan. I'm Chukunon Soul Captures, aka Mazi. Chakon, aka the Photo Cosmetic Surgeon, and this is another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're going to give them back the identity that was stolen from them, starting with their names. So shout out to Celesita. Come on, let's right, give it up for her. So Celesita sent in her name for this Igbo Name of the Day giveaway.